Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. So today I'm going to show you how to trade candlestick analysis. So today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today here you can see this level. Market is trying to reverse from this level. So market is not breaking this level. If I get lower entry point, yes, I place my trade call option because market is not ready to break this level. You can see this candle create new high here and there is no new low. So and this is strong bias area. So I know definitely because market come to this level, it's supposed to break this level and it couldn't break, and it created this candle like this here above. So in this situation, because of this strong candle, strong wick, this is buying pressure, so showed that market is trying to go more up. So you see this is winning trade. So that's why I place my trade immediately call option at this level. I know definitely market will close above my entry point. So let us analyze another market. A market is ranging. So here, see the channel. If you draw your trend line like this is the trend channel. So market is trying to reach this level. Oh, you see market is touching, just touch exactly the trend line and reject. Which means after this candle, sellers may enter. I see this is weak candle. I'll go with sellers at this level because this candle is weak candle and close exactly at this sellers area, and you can see strong sellers entry at this level. So I know definitely this candle will close below my entry point because this candle is weak candle. Before this candle reaches candle, it shows that sellers are here to enter into the market. So that's why I place my trade. You see here, let me explain more. At this level you see sellers entry, you see sellers entry, and you see sellers entry. So this candle is weak candle. It had the same upper and lower shadow, so definitely my sellers must enter, even though they didn't enter too strongly. So maybe in the next candle market will break this level because these sellers enter, few sellers enter this candle. So that means market is trying to break this level. So but if there's no strong bias at this level, sellers will enter again. So you see strong bias. If there's no strong bias, sellers will enter again. I will go with sellers. You see, I'll go with sellers at this level. I know definitely now strong sellers must enter, because this is weak bias. This candle must be strong. So you see, strong. I was expecting sellers to enter strongly on this candle, but few sellers enter. So when few sellers enter, let me explain more. What you will watch here: strong sellers, strong sellers. When market reaches this level, because this candle is weak, if this candle is strong, I will not go with sellers, I will go with buyers, because I know they will definitely break this level. But because of this weak candle has the same upper and lower shadow, so that's why I go with sellers on this candle. But I try to get good entry point. I didn't go immediately, I just enter above the closing price of this candle. That's why I got it in the money. So after this candle, sellers supposed to enter strongly after this weak candle. Because of this area, strong sellers, but few sellers enter here. So after few sellers, you should expect buyers to enter strongly, but still buyers couldn't enter strongly from this level. So next candle, sellers must enter. That's why you see strong sellers entry. So as I have told you, this candle must be strong. So you can see very, very strong. So anytime this way you will watch and analyze market direction and trend. So this is the end of this video. I took total 3 trades, all are winning trade. You can see here I place call option here because of this sell buying pressure, and here as well I place put option here because of this candle, weak candle. Even though you see like strong candle, because it has the same upper and lower shadow, so that means it's weak candle. So that's why I know sellers must enter. I go with sellers, but few sellers enter. Then after a few sellers, the next trade I see few buyers here, no strong buyers, they create weak candle, weak buyers here. So that's why I go with sellers. So you can see sellers enter strongly. So this is the end of this video. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. If you have any question or comment or suggestion, please drop it in the comment section. I will say thank you. Bye bye.